YouTube Gaming here, and today we're playing Build a Boat again. And today I found something that's right here. It's a code, but I don't know what the code is. It's gibberish, but I don't know what the language is. So we're gonna make a shiny block, but there's some weird code on here. But that look, it just did it right there. If you just place a wood block inside of the hole, you get this. That's just weird, is it? Oh, I'm also friends. Hello. Okay, let's try to make a shiny block. We can see this later. It's there. It's right there. See it? Take a screenshot and send this to Fuzion. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay then. So let's try to make this shiny block. So first you have to put that there. Side of the block. Wait, I know how to make this shiny block. So first you have to do this, this, this. And then you have to place your camera in here and then just put it right there. Now it's just submerged in there. Then you have to turn your graphics down a lot. Bro, look at the angle. Okay, but we have to turn our graphics all the way up. Or whatever, I don't know. Come on. It's really hard on a tablet. Oh. So you have to put it on manual. And now it will just look like a shiny block. I don't know what. Okay, it's just glitching. Look. I think this is a code. Look. See it? Bro, I made a shiny block. That's cool. Okay, let's just paint it and see if it's gonna be a really shiny block. Okay, now, this is just weird. It looks cool though. Look, it's just a shiny block. Look, it's just a red shiny block. Let's turn this to a very, 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 very dark blue. Bro, this is cool. What the? Okay. My goodness. What happens if we place a chest on here? Does it look better? No. Wait, what is this? Let's use it. I'm going to turn off anchor block and use it. Okay. There's so much golden blocks. 38. 38 golden blocks. That's a lot. God, no. It's going to be hard to do it. His is not even the right block. He doesn't even have a purple jet. Okay, well, time to go wee-wee. Not wee-wee, actually zoom. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. This is the right server. Okay, so there's a chest right there. Chest in the trees right over there. Chest in there. Chest in here. It's underground. I'll show you. What the? Help me. Help me. I need somebody. Oh no. But I'll show you. I'm just gonna fall and then I'll show you. Under here. Ah! Okay, I think it just changed the server. But there is a secret code. A really weird secret code. I'm going to show this to Legion North where you can place blocks on your head. So, anchor block. A jet head. Or whatever. I don't know. Not the jet. The block. Okay, now we're jet. Boom. Look at me. I'm a jet. Ooh. I'm a firework. I'm a firework. Whee! Whee! I'm a weirdest firework in the world. Bye-bye. Boom! Ah! Mom. Okay, let's just see what he... No! Now I have to go to white. I don't know why I can turn this. It's cool. It's like an actual block I can turn. Wow! I'm a firework. I'm gonna show this to Leech. I'm gonna tell him this on my channel. Okay, I'm just spinning for no reason. That's not me. For real, I'm not turning myself. Okay. I'm just showing you the code and stuff. Well, this was a fun time. And I'll try to make an intro and an outro. So, see you guys.